we'll guide you through how to use the Netlify API. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Netlify website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the User Settings section, which you can find by clicking on your profile picture at the top right corner. In the User Settings, look for the Applications tab. Here, you'll see an option for access tokens. This is where you can create a new personal access token, which is essential for using the Netlify API securely. Click on New Access Token. Give your token a name to identify it later, and then click Generate Token. Make sure to copy this token immediately, as it's only shown once. Now that you have your access token, you're ready to interact with the Netlify API. You can use tools like Postman or CURL to send HTTP requests to the API endpoints. Start by trying a simple GET request to list your sites. For this, you'll need to use the endpoint link remember to include your personal access token in the request header for authorization. The typical header should look something like authorization, bearer your access token. Once you send this request, you should receive a JSON response with a list of your sites on Netlify. This is just the beginning of what you can do with the Netlify API. You can manage deployments, create new sites, and even access site analytics all through various API endpoints. To explore further, check out the official Netlify API documentation, where you can find detailed guides and examples of other API functionalities. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.